Hey guys, so in today's video I want to touch on the financial crisis that's going on right now, how the coronavirus is affecting everybody, especially in the Airbnb sector. So my name is George McPherson. I'm a real estate investor. I'm a coach. I've also done fix and flips. I have rental properties. I have Airbnbs. I've done JV and I've also done hard money lending. So I have a few experiences and I'm dealing with certain things when it comes to Airbnb as well. So how is Airbnb being affected in today's market? Well, if you have Airbnb, you no longer are operating, and for a temporary moment, because everything is shut down as far as traveling, as far as health concerns. They don't want any what you call social gatherings, right? So everything has to be cut down for the safety of the economy, for the safety of people in general. So Airbnb, if you had Airbnb, now my Airbnbs was all booked for this month. And even for next month. But when I went in about 2 days ago, everything was gone. All the bookings were gone, and it showed a standard message came from Airbnb. So with that, what you want to make sure that is, if you were thinking, okay, I'm gonna retire in Airbnb, you watch somebody and you say, listen, yo, Airbnb is facts, I'm gonna get in it, I'm gonna leave my job. You watch people that saying, I've built a multi-million-dollar business on Airbnb. Guess what? Those people right now are suffering. And the crazy thing is, we don't know how long this virus is gonna be here for. We don't know how long. They're talking about in August. Now, Airbnb have over 12,000 employees. Think about how that business is gonna operate for the next few months without no revenue. That means that there's gonna be a lot more job loss because there's no revenue actually coming in. There's nobody booking. There's nobody doing anything with Airbnb because they can't operate. So now, you bought all these properties, right? So say for instance, you bought 4 properties and you were killing it in Airbnb, right? Now, you don't have anything going on. All your business is shot. Everybody is hurting in this economy. So I always tell people, you have to make sure that you're diverse in everything you do. Create multiple streams of income. Not because you're into real estate, that means that you're supposed to just say, all right, I got Airbnbs and that's good. You need to make sure that you have tenants as well. And even if you have tenants, right now you may be hurting because your tenants might lose their job. So not only do you need to be in real estate, but you have to make sure that you're doing something else. Whether it's an online business, whether you have another business that you could go out and do consulting, coaching. Like I'm saying, you have to create a multiple source of income to get through this part. Now, for some of you guys, you just need to slow down. And what slow down meaning is that you need to invest more time in yourself. Investing more time in yourself is educating yourself on the real estate market, on the recession that's going on, how you could improve. There's a lot of people that are becoming multi-millionaires during this time. Also, there's a lot of people that were multi-millionaires that are now don't have any net worth because they're losing so much. And not saying that Airbnb can't come back, but it's going to be a very difficult time for Airbnb to come back, in the sense that we don't know the indefinite of it. They may lift the travel the next 2-3 months. They may not lift the travel. If they're looking at as, you know, they're saying, I saw something on the headline saying that they're going to help out with mortgage payments for the next 12 months. Well, if we're thinking that far, that means that they're thinking that this might go on for 12 months. Now imagine if this go on for 12 months. Airbnb may not be in existence because it can't operate for that long without any revenue. So there's a lot of things that can happen over the next time. I'm not saying Airbnb is going away. I'm not saying that it's gonna come back either. What I'm saying is that in this time where if you have Airbnb and you know that the focus is gone from Airbnb because you're not making any money, now is the time that you need to double down and find out what you're good at. If you thought real estate was the only thing, then you put all your eggs in one basket, and you cannot do that going forward. This is one recession that we're going through right now, but I guarantee you the next 20 years from now, we're gonna be experiencing something like this again. So don't let it hit you, the next recession, the same way it did right now if you're hurting. You have to be prepared. And part of it is with the Airbnb sector, with anything in real estate right now, you have to make sure that you're prepared. prepared. You have to make sure that you're keeping calm in the same way, and just know that, all right, what can I do different? How can I make it work? So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you find this video valuable. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, see you in the next video.